In this video, I will guide you on how to register for Alliance Bank Online Banking. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, go to the Alliance Bank website and choose your account type. So begin by identifying whether it's a saving account, current account, or any other type you have with Alliance Bank. Next is you will need to prove it's really you. This means sharing some personal info to confirm your identity. So keep your account number and relevant information within easy reach to facilitate a smooth authentication process. Now for additional layer of security, you may encounter a step where you will be prompted to authenticate your mobile number. Now during this process, the bank may send you a verification code via SMS to ensure that the mobile number linked to your account is accurate. So once you receive the code, enter it as instructed to complete the authentication and enhance the security of your online banking experience. Okay, so now that your account and mobile number are confirmed, let's set up your login details. Go ahead and pick a username that's easy to remember and come up with a strong password. Just make sure to follow any tips that they will give you about making a strong password. That way your online banking stays secure. Then lastly, finish up the registration process by filling in any extra details they need. Take a quick look to make sure everything is accurate and you're good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.